Ever wondered if your favorite obscure altcoin is safe and sound in a hardware wallet? Or perhaps you're looking to diversify your portfolio across a multitude of digital assets, but you're not sure if one device can handle them all. If you've been grappling with these questions, especially concerning the Ellipal wallet, then you've come to the right place. Choosing a hardware wallet is one of the most crucial decisions you'll make in your crypto journey. It's not just about security, though that's paramount, it's also about convenience and, critically, asset support. What good is a fortress if it can't hold your treasures? That's where the Ellipal wallet, particularly the Ellipal Titan series, stands out. Ellipal has made a name for itself by prioritizing security through its air-gapped technology, meaning the device is completely isolated from all network connections. No Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no USB, just secure QR code communication with its accompanying mobile app. This drastically reduces the attack surface for hackers, keeping your private keys offline and out of reach. But beyond this robust security, a common question arises: exactly what coins can you store on an Ellipal wallet? The answer, in short, is a lot. The Ellipal Titan series is designed to be a comprehensive cold storage solution, boasting support for a vast array of cryptocurrencies and tokens. We're talking about tens of thousands of digital assets. Specifically, the Ellipal Titan and its successor, the Titan 2.0, support over 40 different blockchains and more than 10,000 coins and tokens. This extensive compatibility ensures that whether you're holding major cryptocurrencies or exploring emerging altcoins, your assets can likely find a secure home within the Ellipal ecosystem. Let's break down some of the most prominent cryptocurrencies and token standards supported. Of course, you've got your mainstays like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. For Ethereum, this also means full support for all ERC20 tokens, which represent a significant portion of the crypto market, including many popular stablecoins like USDT and USDC, and a myriad of DeFi tokens. Beyond Ethereum, Ellipal supports other major smart contract platforms and their native assets, such as Binance Coin, BNB, on the Binance Smart Chain, now BNB Smart Chain, Solana, SOL, and Cardano, ADA. This broad support for leading blockchains extends to their respective token standards as well, so you can expect compatibility with BEP20 tokens on BNB Smart Chain, TRC20 tokens on Tron, TRX, and many others. And it doesn't stop there. Ellipal also supports popular cryptocurrencies like Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, Dogecoin, Doge, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Stellar, XLM, Dash, and many more. Newer chains and their assets are regularly added through firmware updates, showcasing Ellipal's commitment to expanding its reach and keeping up with the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. This continuous expansion means that even if a new and promising project emerges, there's a good chance Ellipal will eventually support it, allowing you to manage your diverse crypto portfolio from a single, secure device. The Ellipal app further enhances this experience, providing a one-stop solution for managing your assets. You can view your balances, send and receive funds, and even engage with decentralized applications, dApps, through Wallet Connect integration. This means you're not just storing coins, you're able to interact with the broader crypto ecosystem securely, all while your private keys remain air-gapped on your Ellipal device. So, whether you're a Bitcoin maximalist, an Ethereum enthusiast, or a keen altcoin accumulator, the Ellipal wallet offers a comprehensive and highly secure solution for managing your digital assets. Its commitment to supporting a vast number of coins and tokens across numerous blockchains makes it a versatile choice for anyone serious about self-custody in the crypto world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.